Hi guys, today's video is going to be my entryway setup. Plus I'm going to show you my second entryway. It's probably not an entryway, it's just like the staircase little hallway. It's not complete yet. There's other things that I need to get for it, but I'm trying not to rush the process of just like grabbing things. So it's just taking me a little bit longer to find what I'm looking for. I think I need to go to like a nursery. I'll show you guys what I'm missing. But let's go ahead and get started in my main entryway, get that all set up, and I'm even gonna throw up a little bit of decor for fall. Nothing too over the top, but I still think it makes a statement. And then I'll show you guys what's going on in the staircase decor. And my entryway is complete. So I'll just kind of give you guys this view here. It looks very similar to how I had before with the table and then this like little piece. But I'll go ahead and walk you guys through. I think there was a clip that you didn't see, which was me getting this mirror in and putting it up there. I don't know why I thought I was filming and I wasn't, but all you would have seen was me struggle to put this mirror, to lift this mirror from the ground and put it up there, because it is the heaviest thing in my entire house. I did splurge. I normally do not pay prices like this, especially for a mirror. I'm just one of those people where I will go to Hobby Lobby, wait for the sale, Amazon, that kind of thing. But it was just so hard for me to find the mirror I was looking for. And I got tired of waiting to find it. That's all it was. I didn't know really where to look or what to do. I'm one of those shoppers where my solution is either in store at a TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, or Amazon. I even looked on Facebook Marketplace, and I just couldn't find what I was looking for. I didn't know any other websites really, and I saw this on Pottery Barn. So this is from Pottery Barn. It is actually gorgeous, I have to say. Now that I have it, it is worth every penny. I adore this mirror, but like I said, it is extremely heavy. I actually planned to mount it on the wall, but I don't trust myself, y'all. I think even if I hit a stud, somehow this thing would bring the whole house down. So for right now, it's gonna lay on the table itself. So the mirror is from Pottery Barn. Then we have the table itself, which is a repeat buy for me. Yes, I've bought this table twice. Are you asking yourself, well, where's the first table? I sold it in Florida, and I love that table so much. It was actually my #1 favorite piece in my entire house, next to the TV stand that I had. I also sold that. But there were 2 reasons why I sold it. One being I didn't want to spend in moving again. I had spent so much moving to Florida, and it traumatized me that I spent that much money. And I was like, I can't do this again. You know, we all know the decisions I make. So I was like, let me just get rid of all my furniture. Plus, at the time, I had my construction home, and I thought I was gonna go in a more modern route. And you can see there's this like little scallop trim here, and it's giving more like shabby chic, you know, with that little feminine detail. So that was the other reason why I got rid of it, was I just thought I wasn't gonna go in this decorating direction. And then when I got here, you saw that I moved that entryway table over there. It just wasn't doing it for me. It didn't make my heart sing. Plus, I really wanted, you know, a table where I had a little bit of storage, and I could decorate the top. Like, that just doesn't have very much space on top at all. You know, and I just love the entryways. One of my favorite spots to decorate seasonally. I love being able to add garland and all kinds of things. And that little table just wasn't doing what I thought it would do for me. So I decided I loved this table so much, I repurchased it again. There is a caveat to this one, actually. I got this from Nebraska Furniture Mart, by the way. And I'm pretty sure my first one came from Nebraska as well. However, this one that they sent me has a different colored top. And it's even different from the photo. I was supposed to have gotten the same exact table that I got before, and the top is more like this light color. But I got instead this darker espresso color. And there weren't 2 options on the Nebraska website, so I don't know how I ended up with a darker top. But it works because there's like darker spots to this mirror, so I think it looks absolutely lovely. And I think it changes up all the different color woods that I have going on. So I think in the end, it actually was meant to be this way, and I love it. Then I brought back these floral stems. I don't know where I got them. My guess is Hobby Lobby. And then I put this little metal sign, which I've had for a while as well. Have no idea where it's from. And then this Hey Y'all sign, which I'm realizing the sticker's still in the back. Yeah, this is Hobby Lobby. I need to remove that sticker because now you can see it in the reflection. So that's an old sign. I don't know if it's still available at Hobby Lobby or not, but it's really cute. Then we have the lamps. The lamps, I actually took my time trying to figure out. I really went back and forth for quite some time on this. I thought, you know, the shade color was a problem. I would either find the base that I liked, but not the shade color. And yes, I can obviously like change those out, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to just somehow find the perfect lamp. And I thought I was going to do like a black base. And in the end, I found this, and I think it is absolute perfect because we get more of these like raw colors, and then we have this texture. So I'm mixing textures, and I think it just adds to it and just makes it look more luxe. Plus, it has this little black detail on the base, which is perfect. And the shade itself is like an oatmeal color. I'm gonna just pop that off so you can see the difference there. And I think it's perfect because what I was coming across is that either the shade was like a bright white, and this is not a bright white, this is more like a creamy off-white. And I think the fact that the shade doesn't even match anything here, I don't know, somehow I feel like it just works and it's really cute. And I can tend to be matchy-matchy, so the fact that I didn't force myself to match this color exactly to that, that's a big step for me because my brain wants to do those things. And sometimes it's annoying because, I don't know, it's just annoying. And the rug is from Amazon. The rug is this, I have this rug in most areas of the downstairs part of the house. I will say, I'll link it down below. It sheds a lot. See that little piece I've already vacuumed? It sheds. So if you can deal with that, just know that. But I just love this rug. And it's really hard to find a rug that kind of looks like this. I don't know, that was just my experience. But then again, you know, I only look in like 2 different places. So is that really hard to find? Probably not. This was actually originally my first entryway table. It was there, and I was going for a different design. And then I realized that I just didn't have the table that I wanted to like put stuff on top and kind of string garland and have a little bit of storage. So in the end, this got moved to this section. And originally for this section, because you see it's like a curve, a half curve, I was gonna do a round table. I ordered this round table. If you follow me on my vlog channel, you saw me put it together, and the color was orange, like an orange wood. And it's not at all like the style I'm going for. So, but it still worked out because I decided to put this here, and I actually really like the more rectangle look rather than a big circular table. This is exactly kind of how I envisioned it. It's very simple. I wanted this section to be simple because it just seems like you're going from one thing of furniture to the next. So I think that this is perfect for the space. And I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was in a haul somewhere, I don't remember. But these stems, I'm going to link them for you. They're from Amazon and they are everything. Like, I don't know, they're just so unique and different. And they come in a pack of 3. So that's all I bought was 1 pack. And like, just, I don't know. Something about this makes my heart very happy. Now, when you pan over this way, then you get this other half moon thing, but it's not as deep. I don't know if you can tell, but this one really goes in deep, whereas this one doesn't. And I had always had a vision for this spot. I'm gonna throw up a picture so you guys can kind of see what I'm going for. So I got this mirror. This mirror's from Amazon. It has more of a modern, right? Because we've got this like thin trim to the mirror, and it's black, and it's an arch. So to me, that's modern. I don't know, my eyes think it's modern. So it kind of breaks up all my traditional farmhouse that I'm doing, and I really like it because it's kind of like tying in all the other black elements that I have going on. And I love that I have this mirror here because then it opens up this space. So light kind of bounces off of it. I'll also link this down below. You can hang it on a wall as well, by the way. But what I envisioned was having like these big white ceramic pots, maybe like 2 of them. And in one ceramic pot, I'm gonna have like a branch. Something I'm gonna have to find like out in the wilderness. Kind of like I did in my Florida house. If you guys remember, I went to my backyard. I cut down a branch from my overgrown tree. And then I put that branch in like a planter. And you can also add like stems to it. Like, even though obviously that's a real branch and the leaves on it are gonna die, you can actually still adhere stuff like this to it and like DIY it, and it looks so good. So that's my plan. I'm gonna try to find a nice big branch, get some stems like this, add it to it so it looks alive. I just don't need a full tree, if that makes sense, or I would get something like that on Amazon. I just want like one branch, if that makes sense. So imagine a white pot, a tall branch right here, and then another white pot with nothing in it, just kind of like, I don't know, to add dimension or something. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be the space. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. The entryway has always been one of my favorite spots to decorate. To me, it's like, because it's the entryway, it's into your home, it sets the tone. It's always been one of my favorite little sections to decorate, especially for seasons and holidays. So I am really happy that I changed my mind and I moved this table here and I got this table again. Hurts to repurchase the same thing, but like, you know, I don't make the best decisions here on this channel. I don't make the best decisions in my life. So, but that's that. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.